How to open Snaps on laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can open Snaps on laptop. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to open up Snaps on laptop, now you do have Snapchat web, right? Web.snapchat.com. You have Snapchat web, but it doesn't let you view the snaps from Snapchat web. Now, assuming you don't have a mobile phone, that's why you're trying to view from website. What you can actually do is you can download a Android emulator known as BlueStacks. So I'll make sure to drop a download link below. Download BlueStacks version, and once you've done that, open up BlueStacks. Then once you've done that, you'll see Google Play Store. In the Google Play Store, just search for Snapchat. Then once you search for Snapchat, download it and click on Play on App Player option. And as you do that, you'll see the Snapchat application load up. This is exactly like the mobile version. This is not the web version because we are running it on an Android emulator. So we can just go ahead and log in, and then we will be able to view and open those snaps on laptop. This way you can open snaps on laptop. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.